This is just a few clips of me making a sort of prototype tongue for my friends at Mauser Packaging. I need to give a shout out to Jim Ballou for his very generous donation to the channel. Thank you, Jim. It's very much appreciated. I also used my mini swage here to put the half-round depression in these jaws. So as you can see, this Tong jaw is serrated but narrow. It almost looks like gharial jaws. So this is just a bit of a variation on a recent theme that I thought I might share. I'll catch you guys next time.